Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I create natural hair, beauty and lifestyle content. In today's video, I am going to be trying on Flexi Rod for the first time on my natural hair. And I know from the title, you already know what to expect. Before trying out this Flexi Rod, I watched a couple of videos and I decided to try out one I saw, and the YouTuber used 8 Flexi Rods on her hair. So she divided her hair into 4 sections and each section had 2 Flexi Rod. Yes, so I'm starting on wet hair, not wet hair, no, damp hair. I'm starting on damp hair, sorry, and I'm going to use my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner and my hair butter to moisturize my hair properly. This combination is really nice, but the smell of both of them together, it's awful. So I'm going to detangle my hair, then go ahead to divide it into 4 sections. So guys, what do you think about my new setup? Yes, I know it looks different from the last one. I think I like this one. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. Do you like it too? It's simple but not basic, and I like it. So I'm going to just twist each sections away. You know the drill. Work in sections so that you can achieve what you want. But in this video, I did not achieve what I want. But anyways, let's keep going. Ta-da! So now I'm going to start with the back. I'll detangle again. I detangled my hair properly in this video. I just don't know why I didn't get what I wanted. Then I'm going to go ahead to divide that back section into 2. Divide it and make sure that the 2 sections are equal. So you don't want one to be bigger than one. Oh, that was what it said in the video. I'm going to be using this foaming mousse or foaming wrap for my Flexi Rod. Then I'll go ahead to detangle again with a detangling brush. According to the video I watched, she bent her Flexi Rod to a horseshoe shape and just put it in the middle. She divided that back section again into 2, then put the Flexi Rod in the middle and twist around the Flexi Rod. So you twist and turn, twist and turn. Then you just secure it by bending the end of the Flexi Rod. Now this is what that section looks like. The thing is, I did everything in the video, but I don't know why I did not get the results I wanted. Anyways, I'm going to try it again, but maybe the next time I'll try it, I will use 8 Flexi Rod and I'll make my sections smaller. So maybe 4 sections, 4 Flexi Rod per section. Then maybe I have to try this style again, and I'm going to try it. I'll find out what happened and I will correct it. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me trying it out again, or I should just keep my opinions to myself and try it out for myself. Let me know in the comment section. So I'm just going to repeat the process I did in the back. That's what I'm going to do for the rest of the hair. Enjoy the rest of the video and my dancing section.
You don't wanna see if we end up just stabbing it.
Now I'm back. Yes, after the whole process is done, I left it not overnight, actually, for 2 days. And guess what, guys? It still was not properly dried. I don't know why, but low porosity hair situation. If you don't know what I mean, I have a video about tips, hair types, hair talks, what you need to do about your natural hair in my channel. A link is going to be in the description box. Please do well to check it out. You will know what you need to know, if that makes sense, about your hair porosity, your hair type, why your hair is not drying quickly as it should or as you expect it to. Everything you need is going to be in that video. Please check it out. But enjoy the unveiling process. At this point, after this first one, I was just heartbroken because this is not what I was expecting. But I was hopeful that maybe the next ones will be different, but no way. It was just like that. Like the coils did not even come out at all. I don't know why. Okay, this one is better. This one is actually better, but it was not what I was expecting. You can tell from my facial expression. This was not what I was expecting at all. I also think this wrapping process I did does not suit my hair at all, because taking it out too was also a stressful thing, or a stressful process. I was sad and I was going out today. So I decided to put my hair in a bun, do my makeup and look cute. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the finished look. Honestly, I don't know what to say about it. This is not what I expected. The coils did not coil. I don't know if I made a mistake or there was something I did not do right, but I decided to just pack my hair on with this bun, and I will do my investigations and my research right and figure out what must have been the thing I did or I did not do, and I'll try it out again. I hope you guys enjoyed this realistic, honest try on for a Flexi Rod, and I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.